Benefits of Abacus by following 5 principles to Prodigy education system. Enjoy the amazing Abacus performance by our NRI students.
I'm Kavita. I'm Sai Tejas' mom. He's 8 years old. We live in Los Angeles, California. Sai Tejas' concentration, memory power, his listening skill, everything has improved since he started learning abacus. And more than his arithmetic skills, he's a better person than before now.
When I say ready, the numbers will change. Then only you have to start, okay?
Okay.
Start.
Two five.
2, 5. Very good. Wait. Start.
One six.
1, 6. Correct answer. Ready? Very good. Start.
One seven seven.
177 is the correct answer. Very good. Start.
One five two.
Very good. We are going to 3 digit now. Start.
One zero zero one.
1001. Very good. Correct answer. Okay, we are doing 3 into 1 multiplication now. Start.
Eight one two.
812. Very good.
Hi, hello. This is my daughter Vidyashri, and she is doing Prodigy. We are currently in Tennessee, US. This Prodigy have improved her math knowledge very much. She nowadays feels very easy to do the math in her school, and she's scoring good marks in math. She lost her fear. I like that very much. We are actually proud of her and proud of Prodigy Academy. Prodigy is making the children to learn the math easily, and the abacus is really very useful.
Hi, hello, yeah, good morning. Um, yeah, he's my son Pratyum. He's doing grade 3. We are currently in USA, in Kentucky, Louisville. Actually, he's doing Prodigy. He's doing abacus training in Prodigy Academic for past 2 years. He's currently doing in a 4th level. So we are seeing a drastic change in him after he started his abacus coaching. Actually, mainly if you want to say, mainly I can see the improvement in areas like confidence level got increased more. The way he shows interest is what drastically improved. Actually, he quickly solves the problems and all nowadays. Even I can able to get the feedback from even in schools actually how he is doing in mathematics subjects and all. So with that, I think he is doing good. Actually, I am very well happy about that. And mainly to say about Prodigy, actually, we find the academy as a unique academy. A lot of students shows interest with a lot of feedbacks which I got from other parents. I just put him in this academy. So I see a great improvement in him. I really recommend this academy to others as well. Thank you so much.
Ready? Start.
19.
19. Very good. Correct answer. Start.
19.
19. 19 is the correct answer. Very good. Ready? Start.
26.
26. 26 is the correct answer. Very good. Start.
24. 24.
Both of you 24. 24 is the correct answer. Start.
53.
53. Very good. Start.
Okay. 132.
132 is the correct answer. Very good, Kana. Great effort. Ready? Start.
143.
143. Very good, Kana. Super. First class. Start.
100. 100.
100. Very good. Start.
104.
104. Very good. Start, Kana.
70.
70. Very good. That's all. Okay. Great effort by both of you. Thank you so much. Now, Sai, this round is you will do this first. Give me answer here, and then you will take that number as the first number and start from this and give me answer here. Like that it goes on. Start.
26.
26. Next, continue.
49.
49. Very good. Continue.
150.
150. Very good. Next, continue.
193.
193. Very good. Great effort, Sai Teja. Very good.